2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE-Class Review. The 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLS finishes near the top of our luxury large SUVs, along with good reason. This Mercedes SUV is often a capable cruising vehicle with one with the nicest interiors within the class. New for 2018. No major changes. Pros and cons. Powerful engines. Fuel-efficient V6. Handsome, spacious cabin. Smooth ride. Fewer standard features than some rivals. The 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLS provides a choice of three powerful engines, as both versions pairs which has a smooth shifting transmission. The V6 provides the best fuel economy in the group. Even so, the two available V8s deliver outstanding power and acceleration, especially the V8 powering the AMG model. No matter which engine you end up picking, you'll relish a smooth ride and, on account of the GLS standard all-wheel drive, lots of road grip. The GLS 450 comes that has a twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 engine that pumps out 362 horsepower. You might think a major SUV uses a V8, but this V6 has lots of power for many driving situations. You can improve to a V8 by selecting a higher trim. The GLS 550 incorporates a twin-turbo 4.7-liter V8 which causes 449 horsepower. It's noticeably quicker as opposed to GLS 450. Nevertheless, it still isn't the strongest GLS engine. That would be the 577 horsepower, twin-turbo 5.5-liter V8 powering the AMG GLS 63. This engine has enough oomph to throw you way back in your seat once you put the hammer down, while you're in this kind of large SUV, and it'll call for from 0 to 60 miles per hour inside 4.5 seconds. A 9-speed automatic transmission comes standard in GLS 450 and GLS 550 models, but AMG GLS 63 models have a 7-speed automatic. Both transmissions deliver smooth, timely shifts. When properly equipped, the GLS can tow as much as 7,500 pounds. The 2018 GLS lives around the Mercedes-Benz history of quality. The cabin looks modern and classy, high are premium materials everywhere you peer. There are 3 rows of spacious seats, as well as the interior remains quiet even at highway speeds. Cargo space is wonderful for the class, and although the list of ordinary features isn't extensive, there's an abundance of available technology, including a user-friendly infotainment system. The GLS seats 7 and comes standard with leatherette upholstery, heated front seats, a power-adjustable driver's seat, and reclining secondary seats. Leather upholstery, a power-adjustable passenger seat, massaging front seats, ventilated front seats, Napa leather upholstery, heated secondary seats, a heated tire, and heated and cooled front cup holders can be purchased. Like many 3-row SUVs, the GLS contains the most room at the start, with each row offering slightly less space because you head toward the rear. Still, each row has ample space for adults to ride without complaint, plus the quiet cabin lets you talk with your passengers without shouting. Driver visibility is outstanding. Both the next and third rows can simply accommodate 2 car seats, with 2 full groups of latch systems in the rows. There is enough room to put in the car seats in rows, though the large opening inside the seat for your lower anchor might make installation a tad difficult occasionally. Standard features inside the GLS such as a sunroof, Bluetooth, 2 USB ports, a 115-volt outlet, HD radio, an 8-inch computer screen, and Brace Connect, which lets you lock and unlock your doors, send a domain to the navigation system, and initiate the vehicle in the smartphone app. Standard driver assistance features include active brake assist, driver drowsiness monitoring, crosswind assist, a rear-view camera, and pre-safe, which tightens seat belts and rolls up windows automatically before an impending collision or rollover. Available driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, cross-traffic alert, speed limit assist, parallel and perpendicular park assist, a surround view camera system, and pre-safe plus.